Okay, welcome back to the Clawhammer Medley lesson. This will be lesson number 2, and we're going to be learning in this lesson the Johnson Boys. This is the second song in the Clawhammer Medley, and if you listen to lesson 1, I basically said this is the arrangement. It's on the Crow album of Steve Martin called Clawhammer Medley. There are actually 4 songs that are in the medley. First one is Sally Ann, second one is the Johnson Boys, third one is Simple Gifts, and the fourth one is Loch Lomond. So I'm going to play, the first lesson was Sally Ann. I'm going to play Sally Ann and then go into the Johnson Boys so you can see how the two go together. Okay? So here we go. Okay, we'll just break that part out by itself, and it goes like this. If you saw lesson 1, you'll remember that I said that this was a run that he does in the song quite a bit. It's used quite a bit, so if you haven't learned that part yet, I'd really practice that when it goes. So let's go through that one more time, the Johnson Boys. Goes. And I hope you got that. I hope I went slow enough that you can see how it goes together. It's fairly easy song. Everything is played right on the basically on the first string. Now let me take it through one more time, and I'm going to stop when I get to the end of the Johnson Boys. And there you have it, the first 2 songs of the Clawhammer Medley, Sally Ann and the Johnson Boys. Hope you learned that. If you haven't, study it hard, practice a lot. Remember, don't practice your mistakes. That's what David Holt said, and it's the truth. If you don't get it right and you start practicing the wrong thing, then you're going to learn it the wrong way. So take your time, listen to Steve Martin's Crow. Get your banjo tuned up, listen to the CD and play along with it, and that's the best way to learn how to play it. Look at this, get the idea where to go, and then go back and listen to what he's doing on there. Maybe you'll get it a whole lot better than I did. But this is just a way to help you to learn the Clawhammer Medley, and I hope it's going to benefit you. If you have any questions, email me, and I'll be glad to answer anything I can. Until next time, lesson 3 will be simple gifts. Now that's probably the hardest one and the longest one to learn in the medley. So come back, take lesson 3 after you've learned these two. Catch you later.